my name is Jessenia, and I started meditating because I was a chronic overthinker. And just to give you an example, even at the very beginning of my meditation journey, I didn't want to invest in myself. I didn't think that I can afford to be, meditating. And as a mental health professional, that's a little ironic, right? So I started realizing once I began my journey, the more that I started meditating, I started peeling back the layers of what these complex minds that I had, these thoughts, really meant. So at the very top of the iceberg, we have maybe I didn't want to spend too much and I wanted to save. But on the other hand, I would want to protect my pride, right? I didn't need help. I should know these things. But underneath that, it was also my reputation. What happens if, my clients, the people I work with knew I had to have mental health support? Well, beyond that, underneath, I realized that I didn't think I deserved to be helped. I didn't think that I, needed to invest in myself. I didn't have a lot of that core, self-love, for example. And the more I meditated and the more I meditate even today, I see how complex a lot of these thoughts are. And when you meditate, I invite you to look at how deep these layers go. And it really is life-changing when you're really honest with yourself and you can reflect on what is it that has me stressed today? Is it maybe more complex from what I actually think it is? So not only is this journey important for you, it's also important for the people around you. And especially if you're, in a mental health field or working with people or want to be healthy for your family and above all for yourself as well, is really giving yourself a chance to invest in finding your true self and being able to honestly say, I do love my true self. And I invite you to do that and enjoy the process because it's actually really fun once you get started. So good luck. Thank you.